The courthouse in Briarwood was unusually crowded that morning, but the real focus of attention wasn't any high-profile case. It was the quiet entrance of an old, black veteran named Harold Whitmore, walking with a cane and wearing a single polished medal on his chest. Harold had spent 30 years in the Army, earning that medal through a rescue mission few people even knew about. But today he wasn't here for honor. He was here because Judge Roland Pierce, a stern white judge known for his rigid appearance rules, had fined him $50 for improper display of military insignia during a previous visit. Many thought Harold would simply pay and walk away, but instead he requested a hearing, and the room buzzed with curiosity about why a man of his age would challenge such a small fine. Judge Pierce, tapping his gavel impatiently, asked Harold if he planned to argue the case himself. "Yes, Your Honor," Harold said calmly, placing a worn leather folder on the table. Those who knew Harold only as the quiet old man from the outskirts of town didn't realize he had earned a law degree decades earlier through the GI Bill, though he never practiced formally. As the judge prepared to dismiss the challenge, Harold opened the folder and pulled out federal statutes, court precedents, and service verification documents. In a steady voice, he explained that wearing a personally earned medal is protected under federal law and cannot be restricted by local dress codes, citing specific cases and even quoting a military uniform regulation the judge himself was unfamiliar with. Murmurs rippled through the room as Harold dissected each point with the precision of a seasoned attorney, his tone respectful but unshakably confident. Judge Pierce's expression shifted from irritation to discomfort as he flipped through the pages Harold presented. When Harold concluded by reading a line from a Supreme Court ruling affirming veterans' rights to display earned honors, the courtroom fell silent. The judge cleared his throat, realizing he had not only misapplied the law, but had attempted to penalize a man for proudly wearing a medal he had nearly died earning. With an embarrassed sigh, he dismissed the fine entirely and apologized publicly, something witnesses swore they had never seen him do. Harold simply nodded, gathered his papers, and walked out with the same quiet dignity he walked in with. By the time he reached the courthouse steps, word had already spread. The old veteran who came in for a $50 fine had just schooled the toughest judge in town, proving that true honor isn't just worn on the chest, it's carried in the mind.